Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm Oggy F, this is Rage, and we are in Mumbai. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so this one's been a long time coming. I've been receiving a lot of comments from all of you about a subscriber meetup, and it's finally going to happen. So in this video, I'm mainly going to be talking about the venue, the date, the time, and certain things to keep in mind when you get there or on your way there. First things first, the date is the 23rd of October, which is this coming Sunday. The location is in Lonavala. The time of the event is 8 o'clock in the morning. I know some people got confused and thought it was in the evening, but it's 8 in the morning. It's in Lonavala, and the location we narrowed down on is Lonavala Square Mall. I believe that's what it's called. More popularly known for the McDonald's. I think it's the only McDonald's that's in Lonavala. So yeah, we were at the Power Drift Army meetup this past Sunday, the 16th of October. And after the Power Drift meetup, our plan was to go and scout for places on NH8. We were mainly looking at dhabas which we could have the meetup at, because obviously you'll have a better parking space over there and a chance to eat something nutritious, I guess, for breakfast. Unfortunately, most of the places we looked at didn't have enough parking or didn't have the right kind of parking space available. The second concern was that the meetup would obviously grab a lot of attention with so many bikers fully geared up assembling at one certain point, and if we were doing that on the highway, I guess it would grab a lot of unnecessary attention, and who knows how people would react to that and how the authorities would react to that as well. So I didn't want to risk it over there. Maybe when we've got a better understanding of how all of that works out, we'll be able to have something of that sort in an open area without any problems. Time to filter. But yeah, until that happens, we've decided against having it in an open area. Fortunately for us though, on our way back from the Power Drift Army meetup, we stopped over at McDonald's in Lonavala. Holy f***. Yeah, screw that guy. We were on our way back from the Power Drift Army meetup, stopped at McDonald's, and we noticed there was a lot of space that was unused in that Lonavala Square Mall. We asked the people who manage the place whether we could have a subscriber meetup over there, and we were able to work out an arrangement with them where we get a lot of parking, ample of parking, in fact I think more than what we required, and we also get an entire parking lot for ourselves. What I'm going to do now is just add a clip of our trip to Lonavala last Sunday for the Power Drift meetup, and show you how exactly to get to the parking spot so that there's no confusion on the day of the event itself. Here goes. Okay, now that we're done with that, the second thing is where the actual event will be taking place. So if you notice, I've placed an arrow in that video for you to go ahead and see how to get to the staircase. All you need to do is head onto that staircase, climb one floor, and in that level 1 basement, I think it's called, or level 1 parking, I'm not sure what the terminology is used there, but you just climb one floor and that entire parking lot area has been reserved for us. So while our bikes will be parked in the basement of the parking lot, the meetup or the meet and greet, whatever you want to call it, is going to happen on the level 1 parking in that mall. I hope those instructions were clear to you guys. If you've got questions, by all means, please ask me in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer. I've been receiving a lot of messages from people asking me if they can tag along for the ride. Firstly, we'll be leaving really early to kind of get things arranged over there for the meetup on the 23rd. And secondly, I think I mentioned this in the past as well, it's pretty risky to ride a long distance with a group which you've never really been riding with before. Obviously, because of the dangers involved in riding with a group, I wouldn't want to have a large ride with subscribers. There's a lot of risk involved in that. I wouldn't want to put anyone's lives at risk here at the meetup. Again, for all of you who can make it for the subscriber meetup, you will get stickers. I've got 300 of them. I hope that's more than enough. And for those of you who can't, well, there's still a chance for you to win something this week. There's a few brands that I stand by and endorse, and I'm not paid by any of these companies to endorse their products, by the way, but one of them is Ride on Air. So in collaboration with them, we're going to be releasing a contest to all of my subscribers in the next week or so. And even if you can't be making it for the subscriber meetup here in Mumbai, you can still win that. Oops, I almost forgot. There's going to be a host of other motor vloggers as well who will be joining us for the subscriber meetup. So it's technically not just my meetup, but a lot of other motor vloggers will be joining in as well. Alright, that's all I had for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you've liked this video, do go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it. And as always, at least wear your helmets while riding your motorcycles or scooters or whatever you ride on 2 wheels. And ride safe. It's a freaking jungle out there. See you Sunday and goodbye. Oh, by the way, we were discussing details about comfort levels on long rides, and a lot of us motor bloggers who met during the Power Drift Army meetup were actually contemplating how we can, make sure that our overall journey is a lot more comfortable, so we can enjoy the ride instead of concentrating on keeping ourselves comfortable the entire time. And fortunately for us, we have this gentleman called Simon Says Ride, and Simon had one of the better ideas for keeping yourself comfortable. Advice like this would be worth maybe hundreds and thousands of rupees, but you're getting it free here and you'll hear it from the man himself. Simon Says Ride. Here he is. Simon, would you want to say something?
Rupa underwear, very comfortable for KTM riders.
You heard it from the man.